how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Discord. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Discord on our PC or mobile. So once you're now here, so the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, on the mobile, just click your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So just click that. And then on your PC, just click your profile picture in the bottom left. And then once you're now there, once you click that, once you are now in this part, the next thing that we need to do on our phone is to just click our profile picture, which is right here. So just click that. And then you will see that we can now change our online status. Now, for the PC, all we need to do is to just look for our status. So if you see that your status or your current online status is on a do not disturb, which is like this one, then all you have to do is to change it to online, idle, or invisible. So let's say, for example, that we want to turn our account into online. So all you have to do is to just click the online right there. And then once you do that, as you can see, our account is now online. So that is basically it. That is how to turn off Do Not Disturb on Discord.